It begins with that iconic sound. From a single bottle to billions, the journey of Coca-Cola. Today I will take you inside the high-speed world of the most consumed beverage on Earth to see how billions of these iconic bottles are created. Let us begin the journey into mass production.
This is Step 6, the water purification plant. A rigorous multi-stage journey through carbon filter.
Every 0.000 total dissolved solids.
The agitator speeds up, creating this mesmerizing vortex. Our team closely monitors. Blend complete. Ratio. The journey begins as an arm of plastic preforms marches along the conveyor, beginning their transformation into bottles. The preforms enter the high heat chamber, where infrared heaters turn the solid plastic into a glowing, The bottles approach the cleaning station, where an ionizing air blower removes static and dust before the high-pressure water pre-rinse begins. Billions of bottles are made this way. The chilled liquid cascades into the containers at incredible speeds, an odyssey of mass production. The mass production odyssey continues as the high-speed rotary capper seals 12 bottles at once, maintaining the incredible pace of the line. Alignment good. As the bottles race down the line, advanced laser sensors sweep across the glass, ensuring perfect quality control at lightning speed. Rejects going to recycling. And so billions of bottles continue their journey from this factory to your hands every single day. The survivors, as we call the bottles that pass inspection, are automatically grouped into consumer packs of 6 and securely wrapped. Lift it up, easy now, bring it on back. Watch the side, you got it. Left a little. Make sure that order goes to bay 3, that we can seal this one up. Fourth, the roses the cycle. Alright, bring the next one in. Asana one in the end. Bringing refreshment to the world. Here we go again, bright and early. The cycle never stops, does it? Keep that line moving smoothly. Looks perfect from here. Another 1,000,000 bottles ready to ship. Thank you for joining us on this odyssey of mass production. Cheers.
That is the best.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts. Then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animation are AI generated using Veo 3 Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals or real footage.